Hey guys, welcome back to MarineMax Danvers. My name is Ryan Kerrigan. Today we're going to be looking at this all-new 2025 Sea Ray 21 SPX in the dual color red hull side with the black boot stripe there at the bottom. We're going to jump inside, I'll show you some of the options and we'll go from there, all right? Guys, we are inside of Santa's sleigh right now, the 21 SPX 2025 in the red hull side. I'm going to point out three of my favorite features on the boat today. Starting in the back, we have this huge sun pad with the SeaDeck swim platform, plenty of room to walk by in the transom. Moving into the cockpit on the new redesign is this L-shaped seating here with the flip back rest here on the passenger side seat. Super good for entertaining. This is also on a spin as well, so you can have this whole cockpit area all integrated together. Standard on the boat, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, SIMRAD multifunction display, depth finder, GPS, chart plotter, all your rocker style switches here on the right. For your courtesy lights, accent lights, bilge, storage all throughout the boat, under all the seats in the deck, plenty of wet storage, dry storage. Third and favorite feature on the boat is this plush bow seating, cushion bolsters all the way around, as well as the bow filler and the new backrest insert, so you can have that fully closed off as a separate section if you have kids up there. Guys, this is a great family boat, great entertaining boat, plenty of seating, storage, drink space. This boat is available here in Danvers. We have plenty of incentives on it for the winter. If you want to come by, our address is 10 Hutchinson Drive in Danvers, Mass. Come by and say hi, all right?